Formulas have their own tab in Excel 2010. But one of the first things you should know about doing math is that it doesn't matter which tab you're using. For example, with the Data tab displayed, I can enter a formula, press Enter, and there's the math. And to do basic math, to sum, average, and so on, you can use the Sum button on the Home tab. For example, I'll add these numbers by clicking in the bottom row, clicking the Sum button, and then pressing Enter. Now, for something more advanced, say that you want to figure out a mortgage payment, and you remember that the function for that starts with PM. Just start typing, an equal sign and the beginning letter P. Formula Autocomplete displays a list of likely functions, and a tooltip tells you what each function is for. Double-click, and you can start adding arguments to the function. If you need help with a function, just click the name to see a help topic. So I'll complete this formula for you, and there you have it, math regardless of which ribbon tab you display. So you're probably wondering when you do use the Formulas tab, and the answer is you use it when you need to find a function. You'll find the function libraries here in the Function Library group, and you click the arrow under each library to see a list of the functions it contains. And again, you can hover your mouse over a function, and a tooltip will tell you what the function is for. What's more, you'll also find the sum commands here. In addition, this is where you'll find other tools for working with formulas, such as precedent tracing, and options for calculating formulas automatically or manually. Next, I'll show you how to find more commands on the ribbon.